Misty Ray will spend the rest of her life in prison for her role in the starvation death of her adopted daughter, 16-year-old Sabrina Ray.
Ray pleaded guilty today to 1 count of first-degree kidnapping and 2 counts of third-degree kidnapping. KCCI's Hannah Hilliard was at today's hearing in Adele, and Misty Ray detailed her role in Sabrina's death.
Yeah, Steve and Stacy, Misty Ray was originally charged with first-degree murder along with 14 other charges in this case. So we had a packed courtroom here, 40 or more people inside the courtroom to hear what Misty Ray had to say. She did not say much before the judge, but it was enough for the judge to accept her guilty plea of kidnapping. In her striped jail jumpsuit and surrounded by deputies, Misty Ray made her way into the Dallas County courtroom Wednesday with a full gallery behind her. But those there to witness hung on her every word as the defendant pleaded guilty to first-degree kidnapping. She described what she did to her 16-year-old adopted daughter over the period of 5 years.
I intentionally acted to secretly and unreasonably confine Sabrina Ray without her consent and having no authority to do so. I caused such confinement by way of covering the bedroom windows from the outside view, by placing a lock on the door, and by causing the door to be locked while she was so confined. During and as a result of that confinement, on May 12, 2017, Sabrina Ray died of malnutrition, which is a serious injury.
She wipes away a tear as she read her statement for the first time before the judge. She also got emotional.
Yes, Your Honor.
As she pleaded guilty to kidnapping in the 3rd degree for locking 2 other children in rooms. Those 2 counts carry a maximum of 10 years in prison each, but first-degree kidnapping carries the same punishment as first-degree murder.
Mandatory life in prison without the possibility of parole.
Now, the state will ask for Misty Ray to be sentenced to life plus 20 years for those 2 additional kidnapping charges. She will be sentenced alongside her husband, Mark Ray, next week, Friday, January 18th. We're covering Dallas County tonight. Hannah Hilliard, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.
Now, Sabrina's biological family gave her up after her father was once accused of taping her mouth shut.
That's a charge the father vehemently denies, but the biological family always held out hope that they would reconcile with Sabrina. KCCI's Laura Terrell talked to Sabrina's biological aunt about today's plea.
Yes, a very emotional day for Sabrina Ray's biological family. They say they are glad that Misty will get life in prison, but they are upset that first-degree murder was taken off the table because that's what they say she is, a murderer. Now, they packed the courtroom today to watch all of this. They listened intently as Misty admitted to what she did, including confining Sabrina to a room. They said they didn't sense any remorse whatsoever. Sabrina's biological aunt says the hardest part is trying to understand why someone could do this to a child, especially a child as kind and as sweet as Sabrina.
She's just so loving. And that's what makes it so much harder, is how somebody could do something to somebody so loving. Because that's all she wanted to do, is love on anybody she could love on.
Coming up tonight at 9 and 10 o'clock, hear from Misty's cousin. This is the first time we're hearing from a family member of Misty. She said she is disgusted and embarrassed to be related to her, and hear what she thinks is real justice in this case. Reporting live in Adele, Laura Terrell, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.
Misty Ray is just the latest member of that family to plead guilty in connection with Sabrina's death. Last month, Misty's husband, Mark, pleaded guilty to child endangerment causing death and 3 counts of third-degree kidnapping. Sabrina's adoptive brother, Justin Ray, and her adoptive grandmother, Carla Bausman, both reached plea deals and are serving time in prison. Sabrina's adoptive cousin, Josie Bausman, is still awaiting trial in connection with her death.